Hi, I'm Andy Burrows, here for Tides TV. I'm here with Anna Collén, who's the Project Director of Innovative Medicine at AstraZeneca. Thank you for joining us today.
Oh, thank you for letting me be here.
So just to start, what work are you doing at the moment at AstraZeneca, specifically with oligos?
Yes, we are doing quite a lot of oligo work, and we are really happy and pleased about the work we are doing. And it's mainly in collaborations within the mRNA field. We work with Moderna Therapeutics, but in the antisense oligo field we work with Ionis, and there we have a very strong collaboration with them. So we're working both with antisense oligos and mRNA, and we have a very diverse portfolio in the cardiovascular space. And this is due to the fact that we want to target every target with a molecule. So we are a small molecule company from the start, but we expanded into the new modality space to be able to target certain disease area targets with various modalities. So that is how we're working.
And obviously lots of challenges still to overcome in all areas of drug development, but particularly in regards to mRNA, using that as a therapeutic molecule. What challenges do you see?
No, that's totally correct. I mean, what is good with mRNA is that we know when it comes into the cell it will work. So mRNA will translate into a protein, and the protein is actually the active modality or the drug in a way. So the mRNA is just a translation to the protein that it's actually doing the mode of action. What is the challenge with mRNA and the project I'm working in specifically is to deliver the mRNA. So we are injecting it into the myocardium of the heart to regenerate the heart. And there we would like to have very strong uptake into the cells. So to formulate it, to get it taken up into the cells is a challenge. In the cardiac tissue we have seen uptake when we inject naked mRNA just in ordinary citrate buffer. So that's fantastic really, that we can have uptake in the heart in that respect. But if you inject it in other areas or want to take it into, for example, in the liver, you need to have it formulated with an LNP, and that's the difficulty. And it also relates to the cost of goods.
Right.
So it's very costly to produce right now. I'm sure we can solve that together with Moderna, working closely with them. We can reduce cost of goods. But also the formulation we are working quite intensively on to see how we can formulate mRNA.
Okay, and you're also working, you've got a regenerative portfolio in the cardiovascular metabolic TA space.
Yes. So we just have a collaboration right now with a new company called Procella, and they are focusing on cell therapy.
Okay.
So here we are wanting to regenerate the heart by injecting cells, progenitor cells into the myocardium and regenerate the tissue in that respect. So we're working with mRNAs for cardiac regeneration to induce angiogenesis with a VEGF protein. But also we have very early on now a collaboration in discovery in the stem cell therapy area. I'm super excited about that collaboration. So we are working very broad with different modalities, small molecules, mRNA, oligos, but also cell therapy.
Right. This sounds like a lot of collaboration and partnerships going on.
Yes.
How do you think big pharma and biotech can be working better together, and why do you think that's important?
No, it's very important working in collaborations, in particular in these new novel scientific areas of mRNAs, antisense oligos, and also cell therapy. AstraZeneca is a big pharma company, and we have a lot of experience when it comes to clinical phase and launching drugs, and also scale-up manufacturing. However, biotech is usually very agile and has a lot of novel ideas, and sometimes are doing some shortcuts that we in the big pharma thinks is impossible. But it is possible, and working together we can find new ways.
Right.
So I think in the borders between the biotech and pharma, we will also see new innovation. And we have good examples of that, working together with Ionis, for example, where we have now identified GLP-1 as a targeting molecule to target pancreatic cells of antisense oligos. So working together will help us to enable new science and new technologies as well. And it's great fun. That's the most important, I believe, to enjoy ourselves and get new insight and input. Right. And we love working together. So we think that's the way forward, working together.
Exciting times. Well,
yes,
thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much for letting me be here.